Morning, guys. It's about 5:15 a.m. We're here at Bear Lake watching the sun come up. We're going for Hallett Peak today and Flattop Mountain. Actually, Flattop Mountain first, and then we're going to push for Hallett Peak depending on the conditions. It should be about a 9-10 mile hike. Elevation gain's pretty gnarly. I think it's about 3,200 feet, maybe 2,800 to Flattop Mountain, not sure. But we're gonna have fun today and we're just gonna enjoy the beautiful park. All right, guys, it's 5:53 a.m. We're now just leaving Bear Lake. It's a beautiful sunrise. Very easy access if you're a photographer or just want to catch an awesome sunrise. You just drive right up, watch it. Best part about the sunrise right now is you don't have to get a reservation for the park. You just drive right in. So it's like you kill two birds with one stone. But we're off to Flattop Mountain right now. Here at another trail junction, gonna hang a left, Flattop Mountain. Tons of little spring streams here in the Flattop Mountain Trail in Rocky Mountain National Park. Here we are at Overlook. Some pretty cool views. Here we are at our first major snow crossing. Snow's getting more abundant. Don't have to put on spikes or anything yet. Here we are at the Dream Lake Overlook. So this is where the trails off at the Dream Lake Overlook. Got two giant humps of snow, but we're gonna walk around this. And this is definitely not how people get lost on trails. Just doing a little rock hopping to avoid the steep snow slopes. Should be back on the trail here shortly, but heck, what do I know? I've never been here before. Oh yeah, I can definitely see some crazy postal action going on the way back. Check out this tree. Looks a little bent out of shape. All right, trail finally opened up a little bit, but we'll see how long this lasts. So far, I've got 3 post holes. This is Rocky Mountain National Park right here. 1 minute you're on 12 feet of snow post holing. Next minute you're on a trail that doesn't have an ounce of snow. Wear it out. Starting to open up with some views now. That's a killer view right there. Higher up you get, better the views get. Tons of switchbacks, but makes the climb very easy. Here we are at another viewpoint. Got 2 more batteries that are dead that are now charging. 2 other batteries, so we're good to go.
Bam! Got to be getting close. I think that's Hallett Peak right in front of us. All right, we're leaving the scenic Overlook right now, and looks like we got a giant snowfield to cross. Straight ahead. Looks like prime avalanche territory right there. Don't want to walk anywhere near that. Doesn't look like too much of a snowfield. I see it clearing up ahead. It's not really a defined path right here. Just don't go on the edge. Lots of cairns up here. Very easy to navigate. It's on Flattop Mountain. No idea where the summit to this mountain is, but these are some cool cairns, one after the other. We're here at the trail junction. I believe this is the true summit of Flattop Mountain. Views up here are pretty cool, but you gotta like get to the edge of the mountain to really see stuff. But we are going to push up for Hallett Peak right now. All right, guys, we are here at the summit of Hallett Peak. A little over 3,200 feet of elevation gain. Just got out of the wind tunnel a little bit so I could talk. Got up here in about 3 hours, 3,200 feet of elevation gain. We are at what, 12,600 feet, something along those lines. But the views up here are pretty incredible. You can see both sides of the park, which is really awesome, and tons of lakes and Long's Peak. Great view of Long's Peak over there. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. Really like this hike, but we're gonna get off this mountain because the wind is steadily blowing, and even though it's about 60-70 degrees out, maybe 50 up here, it's getting kind of cold. So let's bounce. Emily loves the marmot. Yeah, if you're not familiar with the park, just be careful. These guys will come up and pretty much snatch your food. I'm about 4 feet from this guy right now, and he does just not care. All right, we are back at Bear Lake Trailhead. Trailhead is full, but that's expected on a weekend, even with the timestamp to get into the park. Bus station's full. So we clocked in at 10.5 miles from Bear Lake Trailhead to Hallett Peak. Hiked for about 6 hours, 7 hours total time. Well, we left the trailhead here at 5 a.m. We're getting back here at 12 p.m. In terms of difficulty, I would rate the hike hard. Not super hard, but it is 3,200 feet of elevation gain. But no scrambling or anything crazy like that. Just a little bit of boulder hopping right before the summit. So we still have 2 hours until our check-in time at the COA. So we're gonna try and hit up Sprague Lake real quick. But until next hike, y'all, catch y'all around.